Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 3. Explain the stages and strategies of problem solving. Section B. Answer the following questions in 400 words each. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 marks. 4. Describe the connectionist model of memory by Rumelhart and McClelland. 5. Describe the aspects and stages of creativity. 6. Discuss Guilford's structure of intellect theory. 7. Describe Spearman's two-factor theory of intelligence. 8. Describe the environmental and cultural blocks to problem solving. Thanks for watching.